I just got my Westinghouse 2550 peak watt power dual fuel generator and I'm really excited. So I'm going to unbox it with you and show you everything that is inside. It's been on my mind for a while to get a generator. So it has the user guide, which is very important. And then it has the propane regulator, and that way we can plug it into a propane tank. And then it has the parallel cables and the propane hose, and then it also came with the oil that we can use with it, so that is very handy. And then it came with a little case, and inside of the case is a tool or a part, and then also a spark plug wrench and a small screwdriver. So that is perfect. You can just put it back in that bag and have it with the generator at all times. And then let's open this up and check it out. So this, and it also has the oil filter or oil funnel, sorry. And this generator has a carbon monoxide sensor, so it will automatically shut off if it detects carbon monoxide, which I think is really good. And I wanted to get this size of generator because I wanted to be able to lift it myself. So it weighs about 42 pounds, which isn't too bad. And I am just excited to be able to have this on hand in my house in case the power does go out and take it on all of my adventures as well. And I just want to give you a close-up view of everything on it. And this does have 2 USB outlets. So this generator will run sensitive electronics like laptops and tablets, things like that, which I think is really important because you might need your mobile device when the power is out. And then you can see both sides of it. And then it also has the spark plug door on here. And you can see where you can put in the fuel. It's gotten such good reviews, so I'm really excited to try it out. I will do a demonstration in my next video, but so far, so good.